Have you ever wondered about the future of technology and how blockchain might shape it? Well, let's dive right into it. Blockchain, a term that's been buzzing around tech circles and beyond, is a method of recording information that's incredibly difficult to alter, hack, or manipulate. Picture this: a distributed ledger storing transactional records across a network of computers, each transaction authorized by a digital signature, making the information highly secure. Now, why is this important? Because it's ushering in a new era of faster, more cost-effective transactions compared to traditional methods. It's a rising tide that's poised to revolutionize various industries, from finance and healthcare to supply chain and voting systems. But before we get too carried away, let's clear something up. Blockchain and Bitcoin are not interchangeable terms. Yes, you heard right. While Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency that relies on blockchain for security, blockchain is the underlying technology that supports various applications, including other digital currencies and so much more. This technology, with its distributed nature, security features, and the use of digital signatures for authorization, is fundamentally altering our perception of trust and transactions. Each block in the chain contains a header, data section, and hash, all linked together using cryptographic techniques. And here's the kicker: transactions in a blockchain are irreversible, ensuring data integrity and preventing double spending. It's like having a notary public at your fingertips, verifying your every move. Blockchain is not just a trend, it's a game-changing technology that's here to stay. So buckle up, because we're just getting started on this wild ride into the future of tech. Now, take a moment to visualize the structure of a blockchain. Picture a series of interlinked blocks. This chain of blocks is at the heart of blockchain technology. But what exactly is inside these blocks, you may ask? Each block contains three integral parts: a header, a data section, and a hash. Let's unpack this a bit. The header contains the block version, a timestamp, and a reference to the previous block. This reference to the previous block is essential in maintaining the integrity of the blockchain, as it ensures that blocks follow a specific chronological order. Next, we have the data section. This is where the actual transaction records are stored. Each transaction is authorized by a unique digital signature, making the information highly secure. Finally, we come to the hash. This is a cryptographic code generated by the block's content. It's like the block's unique fingerprint, if you will. If any part of the block is tampered with, the hash changes, signaling that something is amiss. Now let's talk about block time. It refers to the time taken to generate a new block. This can vary depending on the blockchain, but is crucial in ensuring that transactions are processed efficiently. Sometimes you may hear the term hard fork. This occurs when there's a permanent divergence in the blockchain's history, usually due to changes in the rules governing the blockchain. It's a bit like a crossroads, where the blockchain splits into two paths. This unique structure is what makes blockchain so robust and secure. Have you ever thought of a world without central authorities controlling your transactions? Welcome to the universe of blockchain technology, where decentralization is the key. Blockchain, as the name suggests, is a chain of blocks, but here we're not talking about traditional blocks. These are digital pieces of information stored in a public database, the chain. This technology is designed in such a way that it doesn't rely on a central authority. Instead, it's a distributed ledger that stores transactional records across a network of computers. Now imagine the power this gives to the individual user. No middleman, no unnecessary fees, no central authority, just you and your transactions. The decentralized nature of blockchain technology ensures data integrity. Each transaction is authorized by a digital signature, making the information highly secure. Once the data is recorded, it's nearly impossible to change, hack, or manipulate. This feature proves to be a significant deterrent to fraud and double spending, making blockchain an attractive technology in various industries. The decentralized nature of blockchain also facilitates faster and more cost-effective transactions. Without the need for a third party to verify transactions, they can be processed significantly quicker and cheaper. This aspect of blockchain has the potential to revolutionize industries, from finance to healthcare and even the public sector. Now, let's talk about the types of blockchains. There are public blockchains, open to anyone who wants to participate in verifying transactions. On the other hand, there are private blockchains restricted to a certain group of participants. While public blockchains offer transparency and inclusivity, private blockchains provide efficiency and privacy. Both types have unique advantages and can be used in different scenarios according to the needs of the user. Decentralization is the heart of blockchain technology, empowering individuals like never before. As we continue to explore the world of blockchain, remember that it's not just a technology but a paradigm shift in how we think about and handle data. But blockchain is not just about Bitcoin, is it? Indeed, it's a technology with an array of applications that extend far beyond cryptocurrencies. One of these is the non-fungible token, or NFT. These unique digital assets are revolutionizing the art world and beyond, providing a new way to own and trade everything from digital art to virtual real estate. Each NFT is distinct and its ownership is recorded on the blockchain, ensuring authenticity and preventing forgery. The rise of NFTs represents a significant shift in how we perceive value in the digital age. But the applications of blockchain don't stop there. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is another burgeoning sector. DeFi leverages blockchain technology to recreate traditional financial systems in a decentralized and transparent way. It aims to democratize finance, making it more accessible and less reliant on intermediaries like banks. DeFi has the potential to profoundly reshape our financial landscape, offering new opportunities for investment, lending, and saving. Moreover, the emergence of decentralized autonomous organizations, or DAOs, is pushing the boundaries of governance. DAOs are organizations governed by smart contracts on the blockchain, with decisions made collectively by its members. This new form of organization offers a promising alternative to traditional hierarchical structures, fostering a more democratic and transparent decision-making process. Interestingly, blockchain technology itself is also evolving. We're witnessing a shift from the energy-intensive proof-of-work consensus mechanism used by Bitcoin to a more sustainable proof-of-stake model. This change not only reduces the carbon footprint of blockchain operations, but also enhances their scalability and security. From art to finance, blockchain is reshaping the world as we know it. This technology is indeed breaking new ground, and its potential applications are as vast as they are exciting. As we continue to explore and innovate, it's clear that the blockchain revolution is only just beginning. So what does the future hold for blockchain technology? As we've seen, blockchain is more than just a buzzword. It's a revolutionary method of recording information that's difficult to change, hack, or manipulate. From its structure to its decentralized nature, blockchain's unique attributes are what make it stand out. Let's recap. We've explored how blockchain's structure, blocks linked together using cryptographic techniques, ensures secure transactions. We've dived into the rise of NFTs, DeFi, and DAOs, showing how these concepts are reshaping our digital landscape. And we've talked about the decentralized nature of blockchain, which removes the need for a central authority and offers unprecedented levels of security and transparency. Looking ahead, the potential of blockchain technology to shape the future of technology is vast. It's not just about cryptocurrencies anymore, it's about building a more secure, transparent, and efficient world. From finance to healthcare, from supply chain management to the art world, blockchain is poised to disrupt various sectors, making processes faster, cheaper, and more democratic. In the words of Ria Myers, artist and blockchain coder, games and art are crucial for experimenting with new technology. And with the mainstreaming of crypto, she expresses hope for better identity and communication systems in the future. Thank you for choosing the Tech Bytes channel.